Hello, everyone. The video shows how to use Closphere Antidetect browser with YiLuProxy. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Then run Closphere browser. Create a new browser profile. Fill in name. Select an account platform, such as Facebook, Twitter. Here I set epinfo.io to check IP address. Then select SOCKS5 or HTTP proxy type. Forward proxy IP in YiLuProxy. For static IPs, right-click an IP and select a port. Then enter host IP 127.0.0.1. Port 5500. Check proxy. The proxy IP is working. Then save. Then create a profile to connect a dynamic IP. Select a location, such as Brazil. Then refresh. Right-click an IP and select a port. Then enter port 5501. Check proxy. The proxy IP is working. If you don't want to configure YiLuProxy ports every time, you can use the server port forwarding. Here I select another location, Canada. Refresh. Then right-click an IP and click Copy IP and Port. Then paste IP, port, username, and password. Check proxy again. Then save. Next, run them. You can view the IP address of the virtual browser. The IP is the same as the IP of port 5500. You can also check the IP address on epinfo.io. This is an IP of Brazil. This is an IP of Canada. Then you can enter other websites, such as Facebook or Twitter, to create and log into your multiple accounts. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.